How to fix a sagging recessed or pot light. We have two sagging recessed lights that have annoyed me from day one as the spring clips never worked properly. Pot lights come in various designs. This one has an inner and outer pot plus a lens trim. I decided to secure the outer pot to the cement ceiling, and I can still gain access to the wiring via the inner pot reflector. I'm using a sealant glue called No Nails, but you can use any brand that does the same job. For those of you with drywall ceilings and where the pot needs to be removed for servicing, I suggest that you only use 3 small drops of the sealant glue on the pot or the final trim. If you do it that way, you can easily cut the sealant glue with a general purpose knife and then remove the trim or the pot as required. I'm now using 2 small pieces of old board to keep the pot and the trim flush to the ceiling. Underneath the boards, I'm using a flexible push stick, which are made by joining 2 offcuts with 4 screws in total. You can get these type of offcuts for free if you go to any timber yard or building site. Just speak nicely to the manager or the foreman. I left the sealant glue dry for a day. Now to remove the push stick and the boards. Replace the twist lock trim. All done and one thing less to worry about. If the video was useful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.